Hi, I'm Lindsey from the Somerset County Cars and Roundswell Toyota Group. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to charge Toyota electric vehicles using a domestic 3-pin plug.
Take the Type 2 charging cable supplied with Toyota electric vehicles out of its convenient storage compartment. Insert the 3-pin plug into your domestic power socket. Then open the charging flap on the car and insert the Type 2 cable. To disconnect the charging cable, simply unlock the car and reverse the process. Useful tip: removing tangles improves charging efficiency and longevity of the Type 2 cable.
Follow us for more simple tips on how to use your Toyota electric vehicle on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube.